Across this 45,000 square meter modern manufacturing base, garden hardware and metal fencing products trusted by customers worldwide are created here every single day. This is the Metal Processing Center of Hui Steel. High-precision laser tube cutting equipment operates with stability, ensuring every steel tube is cut smoothly, accurately, and without burrs. Our advanced special-shaped tube fabrication stations meet the customized requirements of markets across Europe and North America. Whether garden hardware, fence posts, or structural components, everything is formed here with millimeter-level accuracy. At the CO2 Protective Welding Station, our welders ensure every weld is strong, uniform, and reliable. The bending equipment provide flexible, high-efficiency forming capabilities for a wide range of products. Precise angles, consistent performance, making structures stronger and installation easier. In the mesh workshop, panels are positioned, aligned, and welded through high-strength automated production lines. Every weld point is controlled through stable current and strict standards, ensuring mesh panels that are flat, strong, and built for long-term durability. The high-speed laser sheet cutting machine delivers greater precision and efficiency, supporting strong capabilities for customized structural components. A second automated welding line operates simultaneously, ensuring large volume orders can be delivered quickly and consistently. The coating process is essential to product durability and appearance. From pre-treatment and rust removal to automatic powder spraying and high-temperature curing, every step is strictly controlled. The resulting high-adhesion coating withstands corrosion, UV exposure, and harsh outdoor environments. In the packaging area, all products are reinforced, protected, and sealed according to export standards, ensuring they remain safe and intact throughout long-distance transport. Our large-scale finished goods warehouse enables high-volume inventory and rapid response capabilities. Every product here is ready to be loaded and shipped worldwide. In the sample room, you can see the full product range of Hui Steel: garden gates, mesh panels, post systems, connectors, and garden hardware. Each item represents the quality and standards we deliver to customers around the world. From every process to every finished product, Hui Steel remains committed to uncompromising quality. Hui Steel, from China to the world, creating stronger and safer outdoor spaces.